Amen Bantwana Bezithunywa. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribing. Please don't forget to like and share. Today I am very excited to introduce a new segment that many of you have been requesting. Several subscribers have reached out via email seeking advice on various issues, and I've decided to share some of these stories with their permission, of course, to get your input and advice. As much as I would love to respond to every email personally, my schedule doesn't always allow it. But I believe in the power of community and collective wisdom. By sharing these stories, we can offer our support and guidance to those who need help, learn from each other's experiences and perspective, grow together as a community. Okay, let me dive into our first email. The email is from Tepo. With their permission, I will share their story and then we can discuss and offer advice in the comments below. Let me read Tepo's letter. Amen, Isithunywa Somoya community members. My name is Tepo and I am a 35-year-old male. I have been told that I'm a gifted child and signs are there. I have Isithunywa and I'm struggling. Growing up, I sensed things others didn't. But one experience haunted me. I was 15-year-old when I first saw an old woman. She was wearing white and stood by my window. I tried to scream, but my voice was trapped. My body was vibrating. I covered myself with a blanket. I struggled to sleep that night. The following morning, I told my parents about it. My mom said it was her grandmother. She was Me Musebeleti, a prophetess. I later saw her in my dreams. As I grew older, this gift became a burden. I faced various challenges. Relationship problem. Partners couldn't handle my gift because I get too moody and emotional at times. I have headaches and itchy ears. Pills don't help. I have a car problem. It always breaks. It's a new car, but it always gives me problems. I have challenges at work too. I don't know where to start with my gift. Which color candles should I use? Your advice will be truly appreciated. Regards, Tepo. Now it's your turn to share your thoughts, advices, experiences in the comments below. Let's support Tepo and each other. If you want your story to be shared on this channel, you can send me an email which is on the description. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment. Amen.